ya necesita todos los subtítulos. Inglés, español, catalán. ¿Estás grabando?
Yeah.
Buen día, ¿cómo estás? Hey, let's go, let's compete today. Let's have some fun. Hey, familia en 3. 1, 2, 3, familia. ¿Qué tenemos ahora?
Which one do you want?
Whichever one has more air. So this one is the one I prefer. These two sí es para.
Okay, I need one for...
Vale, todo bien, gracias. Voy a hablar solo en catalán. Silencio, sí es para. He is fast. In French.
Robot. It's the same, but just like pronounced
Croissant.
robot.
Croissant. S'il vous plaît. Raúl Cernura. El mejor tight end de todos los tiempos en España.
I would have it in front of me, so I think I have to rock step. Or just with one step and go.
So on this play, when the corner is getting up out of there, just sit it down. Hey, Raúl, are you number 2 or 3? 2, got it. I was in the middle of the inside run and my mic falls off.
You mic'd up?
Yeah, I'm mic'd up.
Hey.
There's a camera. They got the camera over there. Yeah.
Hello, big man thing.
Wagwan.
Hello, Wagwan.
They're never gonna let this duo together.
No,
they know
probably
it's
not.
trouble. Oh yeah, no, we got this guy too.
Hey,
Hey, I had a 50-50 chance of being right.
I gotta watch out with Jornito because, you know, Oh, not me.
Close. Nah.
El bar.